Alright guys, this is my recap here. So took the supers off these two on the end with the white boxes. Both those boxes were new boxes from Man Lake, bought them painted for a cheap price, and they're already tearing up inside. The paint doesn't protect them from the elements like good wax dipping does. Anyway, the Viroxan strips were taken out a few weeks ago. I waited to take the supers off to put the formic acid strips in both of these, which is what I did. These two have already been treated. All of these have a little bit of Pro Winter Sweet feed in there. This one on the top, and this one has internal frame feeder that I filled up with Pro Sweet syrup. Gallon and a half, gallon. I took out 2 of the 3 frames in here that were just foundation and replaced them with some old comb. They won't be filling it out so much now, but at least they won't have to have a bunch of foundation to start building come this spring. They may. There's still plenty of time to get a few more pounds of nectar and honey in there. I got 2x4s and stuck them underneath the back. You see how they're all slanted? Because they were leaning back, which when they were facing that way, they were leaning forward and the water was draining. That's how I had them all set up. But I decided this year to have them facing west, so I can drive in from the road and just come straight in, come up from behind them. And these hives have done well. I got good honey from them. Wait, let me think. Did I actually? I think I got 1 or 2 frames, 1 or 2 boxes from these guys. Yeah, I did. Let me think. I don't know. I feel like I've gotten 1 or 2 boxes. I think these each had 2 supers on them, and I took 1 super from each. Anyway, that's it, guys. I think I'm going to pass on the Elm Grove one today. I think the landowner wants to come hang out with me a little bit, and I'm too tired to do that and get the job done. I know this is not a whole lot of work here, but I work quite a bit at my other places over there by my deer stands, and so I've got a little bit more to do here at my office, and so I don't want to